Calories in and calories out. That's the key to weight loss, or so you've been told time and time again, except it's not working for you. You're cutting calories like crazy and hitting the treadmill so often you feel like a hamster. You're deprived, you're always hungry, and your wallet is empty from continually buying the latest fad diet and weight loss pill, and you just want to eat a piece of bread. It's frustrating, it's exhausting, and you're ready to throw in the towel, feeling like you're destined to be overweight forever. But it's not your genetics and it's not your thyroid that's the problem. It's your metabolism. After years of taking the wrong approach, your metabolism is working against you rather than for you. But please understand, your metabolism is the most critical piece of the weight loss puzzle. Not calories, not limiting carbs, and definitely not exercise. Here's the honest truth. Trying to lose weight when your metabolism is broken is like trying to fix a leak with a bucket. It's only a temporary fix. It doesn't work long-term because you're not addressing the root problem. But what if you could condition your metabolism to burn fat while you're eating, sleeping, even while relaxing in front of a TV? What if, instead of restricting calories, taking diet supplements, avoiding carbs, or torturing yourself on a treadmill, you're literally conditioning your body to burn fat around the clock, literally 24/7. And this doesn't mean giving up all your favorite foods or spending hours at the gym or going hungry throughout the day. Learning to lose the weight that you've been carrying around for way too long is much easier than you think, with a much faster payoff. It starts with this. Check out the free training below on how to get to your ideal weight and health without giving up the food you love. Next, compare it to the banned foods that you're currently trying to avoid. If you've currently got a metabolism that's firing on all cylinders, that's cool. You don't likely need this free training. But if you're sick and tired of not fitting into your favorite pair of jeans, or you experience shortness of breath after walking up a single flight of stairs, if you're ready to fundamentally change how you think about food for the long term, see how you can take control of your eating, your health, and your life by following these 5 proven steps for getting to your ideal weight without giving up the food you love. Click below now for this free training.